Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my grocery shopping routine. This is going to be the routine that I do before I head out to the grocery store. I did a video about a year or two ago as to how I spend $50 for a family of 4, and lately I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys on this video. So I decided that I would do a more updated video as well as share with you guys my tips and tricks and really how I come up with what I'm going to actually cook for the week, as well as what items actually end up on my grocery list. Also, I've learned a couple of new tips and tricks, and I definitely wanted to share those with you guys. I know grocery shopping can be a bit of a challenge, especially if you are shopping for more healthier items, because those items tend to either not be on sale or tend to be a little bit more expensive. So I hope this video helps you guys know that you can shop healthy while still sticking and maintaining your budget. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nia, and thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video. I would really appreciate it if you guys hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell notification, so you never miss out on a future video. If you guys are interested in seeing how I manage to shop healthy while still sticking to a budget, then please keep watching. Now, the very first thing that I always do is look through the circulars. This is going to give me an idea as to what is on sale for the week, and it does also help me determine what I'm actually going to cook for the week as well. Now, if you guys do have a couple of stores that are close to you, I would recommend looking at all of the circulars, because sometimes one store may have one item on sale while another doesn't. And this is also going to be a really great way as to how you can save or reduce your grocery shopping bill. As I'm going through the circulars, I like to circle anything that stands out to me, anything that sounds a little bit interesting that I would like to purchase for the week. It's not set in stone, but I just like to get an idea as to what I could be purchasing. Once I'm finished going through the circular, then I go on my laptop or my phone and I go to coupons.com. This is also a great way to save some money. Coupons.com is a free website where they have a bunch of different coupons that you can print out that you can use at your grocery store. One of the great things about coupons.com is you can print out each coupon 2 times per device. So as you can see, these 4 coupons down at the bottom, I've reached my limit on my laptop, but let's say I needed a few more. I can go onto my phone and print out 2 more. I can go onto a different laptop or a desktop and print out those same coupons 2 more times. While those are printing, I am going through the Sunday paper, and you always want to make sure you're going and getting the Sunday paper every Sunday morning, because they are going to have these coupons inside. Now, I did do a video talking about my top Dollar Tree finds, and the Sunday paper was one of them. And I did do a little bit of a test to see if you could actually get the same amount of coupons from the Dollar Tree rather than paying the $3 or so for a regular store, and you do in fact get the same amount of coupons. So if you want to save a little bit of money, definitely make sure to go hit up your Dollar Tree as well. And as I'm going through, I'm just cutting out any coupon that I find is interesting, and the key is you do not want to throw these out, because next week they may have something on sale that also has a coupon in there. So make sure to hold on to those. I personally like to organize all of my coupons. I kind of just put all similar like-minded items together. It just makes it easier. And then also you see this 75-cent coupon. This is a winner, guys. You want to try and find any coupon that is 75 cents. These coupons double. So when you go to the store, you'll be able to get $1.50 off. So any coupon does double for the most part, except for the coupons.com ones, but anything that you found in the flyers from the Sunday paper, those will double up to 75 cents. So if you find one for 50 cents, that will double to $1. but if you find one for $1, it's only going to be $1 off. I add them into my coupon booklet, which I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and now I'm going on and looking for virtual coupons. Now, I shop at ShopRite, and they have digital coupons that I can click and add to my ShopRite Rewards account. So I'm going through and just clicking anything that I find is interesting. So this way, as I'm going food shopping, if I do happen to pick up one of these items, when I scan my rewards at the store, it will automatically be taken off because I've clicked them and added them to my account. I did also want to mention that the digital coupons that you can add to your account are completely separate from the coupons that are printed out at the register during checkout. These are the coupons that you definitely want to hold tight, because this is where you are going to find and save a lot of money when it comes to produce or meats and things like that, because you're not going to find coupons that are going to cover your produce or your meats in the Sunday paper or really even on coupons.com. Now, the next thing I do is I like to go on Pinterest and find items or find recipes with like-minded items. So as you can see, I'm going back to the circular and seeing what type of vegetables they have on sale, because I am trying to be a lot more healthier. So if I find a recipe that has, let's say, avocados, I'll try and find a second recipe that also calls for avocados. So this way I only have to purchase avocados one time and I can get 2 recipes out of that. I hope that makes sense. Now, once I found all of the recipes that I'm interested in making, I go through and literally just make a list of every single thing that I need to make that recipe. Even if I know that I already have the item at home, I still make sure and go through to add all of them to my grocery list. Once I'm finished making my grocery list, this is the #1 key that has really helped me cut down and reduce my grocery shopping bill. I literally go through my entire house and see what I already have and start checking that off of the list. There has been so many times when I've gone to the grocery store and picked up, let's say, black beans, and I already had 2 cans of black beans in my house. So this is going to help cut back on buying things that you don't really need and also saving some money while you're doing so.
So we got some chicken, some jalapenos, fresh cilantro, 4 limes, some cabbage, of course some grapes because they were on sale, a bag of avocados, some guacamole, 4 pouches for Riley for snacks, 2 green peppers, a bag of red onions, some egg whites, whole milk, and pineapple, and some spinach. And we spent $68.20, and we have a total savings of $15.27.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.